Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted border to shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add dotted border to shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a shape option. Now in a shape. Now I am choose from a oval shape. Now draw a oval shape. Then add dotted border. Now going to do shape outline option. Now click for a dashes option. Then click for a dotted square dot. Now again click for shape outline option. Then click for a widget option. Then click for 6pt. That is. Then choose color, change color, shape outline in dotted border. Now choose color and shape color, fill color. That it. Then we can see add dotted border to shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.